The Supreme Court of India has granted anticipatory bail to Malayalam actor Siddique in connection with a sexual assault case filed by an actress. This complaint emerged after the Justice Hema Commission report highlighted widespread harassment and discrimination faced by women actors in Malayalam cinema. The Apex Court cited the 8-year delay in filing the FIR as a key reason for granting bail. It also noted that the complainant had not reported the alleged assault to the Justice Hema Committee during its inquiry. As part of the bail conditions, Siddique has been directed to deposit his passport with the trial court and fully cooperate with the ongoing investigation. During the hearing, Siddique's lawyer denied the allegations, arguing that the actor never met the complainant alone and dismissed the charges as false. This decision comes as the case continues to spark discussions about accountability and the challenges women face in the film industry. My colleague Varghese now joins us live from the newsroom for more on that. Varghese, talk to us. This is a relief for Siddique, but it's not the end of this case.
Well, it looks like the case would continue, but it becomes as a huge relief for Siddique, who has been trying to get the bail from the Supreme Court after the High Court, in fact, had rejected his bail plea. Now, interestingly enough, one of the reasons that the Supreme Court has in fact cited is that the 8-year delay in going ahead and filing the case is what would have resulted in him being given grounds for this. Plus, as the investigation progressed, some of the investigation officers had also said that he has to submit clearly a lot of digital equipment that is concerned with this case. That included his phones, his laptops, and they had in fact asked him to give the instrument or the communication instrument or the mobile phone that he used in 2016 while communicating with the victim, and at the same time he was also he was asked to give in details of the communication that was there. He said that he has not been using that instrument and that the instrument was replaced a long time back itself, and therefore it would be difficult to go ahead and provide that instrument as such, and therefore he doesn't keep a record of the digital communications that he in fact has. So all those issues had been coming up with regard to the investigation authorities, and that is why it was also submitted before the Supreme Court on this particular factor, that it took an 8-year delay in filing this particular case as such. Now, this case also did not happen until the Hema Committee report had in fact come in. So after the filing of that report and of the details coming out only did the case be filed, after consideration in his name coming out. So that is something that has also been taken into notice by the court. So after that, one of the other aspect of this case is that there are several restrictions that have been imposed on his passport. Has been surrendered. He's been asked not to speak with any of the witnesses as such, not to intimidate any one of them. The regular sureties have also been given. So the bail has been granted on all these factors as such. Meanwhile, the investigation is still going on. What we understand is that the police have in fact been able to get some of the hard evidence about this. That also looks at the hotel room in which the alleged incident happened, whether the actor was present during that time, whether the hotel was booked for the actor on that regard as well. These aspects of that investigation are still going on, and they have in fact, the police claim to have in fact got that particular record of his stay in that particular hotel on the day when this incident is supposed to have allegedly occurred. So all these aspects have been looked in by the police. But however, the bail that has been granted to him has come as a relief for the actor, who has been continuously pursuing for it with the Supreme Court on this matter. And now let's see how in fact the case continues with regard to this particular investigation on this case that was filed against Siddique for an incident that happened in 2016.